Are you looking for the best toaster ovens? In this video we will look at some of the best toaster ovens. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 5. Cuisinart Air Fryer TOA70. If you want to know if a toaster/oven air fryer can stand in for a basket-style air fryer, the answer is somewhat complicated. Our top toaster oven/air fryer doesn't air fry as well as our best basket air fryer, namely the Ninja Foodi DZ550, but it's not too far off. Using its air fry mode and mesh air frying basket, the Cuisinart Air Fryer TOA70 makes mostly crispy foods like French fries and chicken wings. It air fries a little more evenly than the Cuisinart Digital Air Fryer CTOA130PC3, and it's just as fast as most basket-style air fryers. Otherwise, it's a decent option for mixed use, although it does have some downsides for uses other than air frying. It's not the best for toasting, especially if you use its full 6-slice capacity, since it tends to toast the bottom of the bread very unevenly. It has mediocre temperature stability and sometimes overshoots your selected temperature, meaning baked goods like cookies or bread may dry out or burn before cooking through. On the plus side, it has an unusual grill feature that heats only from the bottom, which can be useful for things like burgers. It's easy to clean overall, although it can be hard to reach behind the upper elements. Number 4. Ninja Flip SP151. The Ninja Flip SP151 is the best small toaster oven we've tested. When in use, it has a short, flat shape, and it's designed to be flipped up on its back when you're not using it, freeing up counter space. This design also means you don't have a lot of vertical room in the cooking chamber. Loaves of bread and whole chickens are probably out. However, its cooking chamber is pretty wide and fits an 11-inch pizza or 6 slices of bread. This versatile oven has great temperature stability, so while it doesn't offer the same precision as the Cuisinart Digital Air Fryer CTOA130PC3, it performs well for baking and reheating. While it toasts bread less equally on both sides than the Cuisinart, it does it faster. Similarly, it doesn't air fry quite as evenly as the Ninja Foodi DT201 but does so faster. However, there are a few downsides. This small toaster oven preheats quickly, but unfortunately, its preheat reminder is inaccurate. It'll tell you the oven is preheated before it actually is, which is a little inconvenient. It's also not as easy to clean as the previous pics. The cooking chamber doesn't have a non-stick coating, and its short shape doesn't help. It's also tricky to clean behind the upper elements. Number 3. Ninja Foodi DT201. If you want a big toaster oven with plenty of room for big meals and elaborate bakes, go for the Ninja Foodi DT201. You'll want to make sure you have room on your counter for this bulky model, but naturally, its cooking chamber is also bigger than the Cuisinart Digital Air Fryer CTOA130PC3's. The chamber has much more vertical space and 4 possible rack positions, so you have more space for items like a roast chicken or multiple trays. Its spacious, non-stick interior makes it very easy to clean. It also works decently as an air fryer. It's slow compared with most basket-style dedicated air fryers, but produces mostly crispy air-fried foods. It can fit 9 slices of bread and toasts quite evenly, making it an efficient option when you're hosting brunch. However, while it has great temperature stability, it's not quite as good as our top pick for sensitive baked goods or delicate foods that need specific conditions. Number 2. Black+Decker Natural Convection 4-Slice TO1756SB. The Black+Decker Natural Convection 4-Slice TO1756SB is a good option if you want to spend less. This inexpensive model is much smaller than the Cuisinart Digital Air Fryer CTOA130PC3 and has a classic, familiar design. While its small size and simpler features make it less versatile, it can toast 4 slices of bread faster. There's a broil mode for melting cheese or browning the top of a small casserole. The timer only goes up to 30 minutes, but you can set it to stay on if you want to bake something for longer or keep food warm indefinitely. However, it doesn't maintain as stable a temperature as the Cuisinart and tends to overshoot your selected temperature at the beginning of cooking. Still, it doesn't perform badly in that regard, and it's suitable for baking small pizzas or batches of cookies. Unfortunately, it's not the easiest to clean since the interior and baking tray lack a non-stick coating, and the small cooking chamber is awkward to maneuver your hand around. Number 1. Cuisinart Digital Air Fryer CTOA 130PC3. The best toaster oven we've tested is the Cuisinart Digital Air Fryer CTOA 130PC3. This medium-sized model doesn't need a huge amount of space and can accommodate 6 slices of bread, a 12-inch pizza, or cookware like a 9-inch by 9-inch cake pan. It's great for multi-purpose use, with 12 functions, including air fry and toast, and a wide enough temperature range for purposes like dehydrating and proofing dough. You can set up 2-step cooking when you want to bake, then broil a casserole or roast a chicken, then keep it warm. It also preheats quickly, so it's quite convenient for reheating leftovers, and it maintains a very stable temperature during cooking. This makes it easier to follow recipes and helps it produce better results when you're baking or roasting, especially with more delicate foods like fish. This toaster oven's air fry function also works well, so you can use it to make crispy air-fried foods like chicken wings or veggies. While it doesn't toast bread very quickly, especially compared with a slot toaster, it does a good job of evenly toasting. This model is easy to clean since its cooking chamber has a non-stick coating and no sharp corners to watch out for. However, the included baking tray has no coating and requires extra scrubbing.